Hi, I'm Mr. Sharma and I'm back with another video. But today I was talking to you guys about two different learning goals. Applying my mathematical thinking and connecting a relationship between two different variables. Let's start with applying my mathematical thinking. I already have the question here. So, which is Natalia worked for 10 hours per day and earns $200 per day. If she works for 2 weeks, how much money will she earn? Alright, so the first thing we do is highlight the key points. So, for example, for this, if Natalia works for 10 hours, alright, I guess that's not that important, but you should. Per day, and earns $200, also per day. If she works for 2 weeks, alright, 2 weeks, how much money, that's really important as well, will she earn? Alright, now, since we've highlighted it, we can, you have to understand the question too. So Natalia works for 10 hours per day, so every single day, and earns $200 per day, okay? And if she works for 2 weeks, which is 14 days, how much money will she earn? So what you do now is just find out how much money she earns in a day, which is 200. And the hours isn't as important, because this is say it's 1 day, and earns, okay, $200 per day. She works for 2 weeks, which is 14 days. Alright, all you do there, 200 times 14. Okay, so 200 times 14, okay, answer equals 200 times 14, which equals 2,800, which is $2,800. You see, that's all you have to do. That's the full answer. But if you want to justify your answer, just all you have to do is just divide 2,800, which is how much money she earned in 2 weeks, divided by how many days there are. So 2 weeks, which is 14 days. So 2,800 divided by 14. And if you get the amount of money she earns every day, which is 200, that means you're right. That means the answer is correct. You guys can use a calculator and everything, but I know it's $200, which is the right answer. Alright, so if you want to write it, that means if you're going to write the concluding sentence is Natalia earns $2,800 in 2 weeks. Alright, let's start the second one. Alright, now we're going to learn how to connect relationship between two variables. So, I already have it written down. So, the term number, we're going to have to solve. So, the first term, there are 2 boxes. Second term, there are 6 boxes. Third term, there are 12 boxes. And for the fourth term, there are 20 boxes. Fifth and sixth, we don't know yet. So, what is the relationship between the term number and the boxes? Alright, I got to let you guys know, there's no actual formula to solving this. You just gotta use your brain and figure out what the pattern is. So, let's try this. So, term number, you can do 1 times 2. So, n times 2, which, okay, that works for that, but it doesn't work for this. Times 3 minus 1. 2 for 6, oh, it doesn't work for the other one. Times 4 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 2 equals 2. Alright, times 4, 2, 4, 6, 8. Minus 2 equals 6, okay. 3, 6, 9, 12. Oh, it doesn't work for that one. We can try squaring it. So 1 squared. So n squared equals 1. Plus 1. Alright, let's try that. 2 squared equals 4. Plus 1 doesn't work. Let's do n squared plus n. So n squared, so 1 plus n, which is 1, equals 2. 2 squared equals 4 plus n, which equals 6, okay. 3 squared equals 9 plus n, which equals 12, okay. And then 4 squared equals 16 plus 4 equals 20. Alright, that works. So we can write down that the pattern, or the formula, it doesn't matter, equals n squared plus n. Alright, let's just solve these ones too. Alright, it's as simple as that. But let's see if it works for this. So 5 squared equals 25 equals 30. 30. And for this one, 6 squared equals 36 plus 6 equals 42. And that's it. Alright guys, thank you for watching.